all the kids are excited today for the finals.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, extremely.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully you guys are not nervous because it's not your exam, right? Neither you should get tense during exam. So it's like your passion which is actually getting into your future. So don't worry about it. Just cool. I can see the faces getting little bit of nervous. Who is going to win? Who is not going to win? So you all are winners. As last webinar, we all said that you are the finalist and you have already made this. So dream about becoming a chef. You are not chef right now, but your passion will drive your business in future. The way you are studying, this is the right platform. See, I am in the kitchen. That day was Sunday. It is very good that I am in my attire also. So live from the kitchen. So I wanted to see
Great.
some good smiling faces rather just worrying about your results. See, the way you study, we also study. You can see a lot of books behind that, and these are all cookery books, neither maths, neither science, neither general knowledge. These are only about cooking, cuisines, everything. So we
Chef
also do
cooking,
study, and we are
chef
also
cooking,
nervous sometimes. Like you
chef
made us
cooking.
nervous.
I
Sorry.
believe, I believe cooking is a mix of all art, science, and everything else that can be there.
Yes, yes, yes. One thing I would like to add, Sumit, if you allow me.
Please, please.
Like kids should be very actually last time we said now we need to justify all the students properly check. So you made us nervous, that's why we got delayed. There is no reason. Don't think that we could not judge you, but we wanted to judge you virtually properly. So we took a lot of time, and 8 of the best chef of India who are judging you, that should be the proud moment for all of you who are in this virtual call, isn't it, Sumit and Deepa?
Yes,
Absolutely.
yes, sir.
Yeah, you have many of them agreeing to it. So yes. So yeah, I'm going to start asking you, who was our skilling partner for Cooker Dream challenge? So Cooker Dream was all about local to global culinary challenge. We started out with a beautiful program, and I think I'm going to share my screen about Cooker Dream first, and then we go sharing some recipes, pictures of some recipes that we have. Uh, some of the recipes that we have received through all the rounds doesn't mean that these are the winning recipes. And then we go with announcing our awards. So let me begin with, okay, so this is all about Cooker Dream, a very short presentation for you. So we started by asking you, have you been cooking and plating up delicious dishes? I guess everyone has been doing that. So
Yes,
yes.
yes,
So
yes,
we
miss. Yes.
yes. So we decided that we are going to combine cooking, passion, and careers. Okay. So that is
Okay,
the
ma'am.
whole thing about Cooker Dream, that is local to global culinary challenge. So this was all we said. It's open for students from this age. We have 3 rounds. And of course, the speciality of Cooker Dream contest is along with the contest, you have a lot of workshops that educate you and skill development sessions. So we say that is fueling aspirations and skills at the school level, because we are bringing a cookery contest and workshops to the school level and presenting an opportunity to you. Many of you might not know that, yes, the culinary world offers you so many opportunities. So that is what we want to bring to you. And of course, raising awareness about and contributing to the fraternity of chefs during this pandemic who have been working for us. Of course, the theme for 2020 was Millet Odyssey, but along the line, there were loads of people who were requesting us to tone it down a bit. So we did allow you to cook from your heart also. So that is the reason we said, yes, we need to eat healthy. That is the reason we need to eat millets. And we were trying to gather as many recipes of millets as possible. And yes, we did get a lot of recipes, millet recipes. Now, you know about these stages. I'm not going to talk a lot to you. And you, of course, know about the categories also. We have been talking MMSs and all those things. Yes, this was your journey, registration, video round, and the finale. And our workshops were divided into knowledge, skills, and attitude. We then go to the prizes. Yes, all of you are going to get a participation certificate, 10 winners, and yes. So after this, you will find your recipes going into a cookbook format, e-cookbook format, and you can share it with your uh, friends and relatives all over the world. And of course, we take it further, and then we say that yes, this is our first step to build a culinary democracy. So these are the recipes for, of, and by the young. So we say, come be a part of the culinary democracy. And I think the culinary democracy has kind of begun. We have started. So I have at least 85 to 90 people who are a part of the culinary democracy. And let's make
Deepa,
it.
while you're talking about the culinary democracy, I would quickly like to add up here that for this particular season of the competition, we've had entries coming in from across the country and a few from across borders as well. Right? We have had people from our main cities as much as we have had participants from the cities which are not so popular. Geographically, our reach for this particular season has been widespread. I mean, that itself is such a satisfying feeling for us as organizers, because when we see people from across the country reaching out, presenting different kind of recipes or different kind of thoughts, whatever that comes across, it really makes us feel proud and happy to be in a position where we are trying to reach out, like we say, come join the culinary democracy. So at least we've been able to reach out to some fragment of people through our entire exercise. Deepa, back to you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Could
Deepa Miss, I would like to say something.
Yes, ma'am, go ahead.
Yes, I would like to quote one thing, that is, we know that the India is a very diverse region, and India is a very diverse country, with along with many religion, custom, card, and creed. But although we are united, stand everyone, we are united over here. So the thought of Cook a Dream brought up the diversity in the food, which really wants to reach to the global level, which is really the concept base of our culture, which we really wants to show to other countries as well, that our culture is related not only with the custom, caste, and creed, it is really related with the food also. That been possible because only of the Cook a Dream platform for the student.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
for
ma'am.
saying that. Thank you so much. And Sneha ma'am has really inspired a lot of kids from Rayat English Medium School, Satara, to be a part of the competition. Of course, yes, we've got spectacular recipes from kids across India. We've got a few from kids abroad also. Of course, many of them didn't make it to the finals. So let's quickly look at some recipes that we have received. Okay, just like that, just to show you.
There's no sequence here, it's just a random presentation.
Yes, it's just a random thing. Yeah.
Oh, interesting one.
So
Deepa,
which one was your?
before
Do you
you
want
go
me
on,
to play it once again?
no, I would want to ask the participants how many of them could recognize their plates here.
Me, sir.
Ishita,
Okay.
yes.
I was able to recognize.
I recognized.
What
Right.
about you, Navya?
Yeah, I
Even I did.
Yeah, you did.
I did.
Yes. So we have received like spectacular. Spectacular is the best word that I can use. I don't have anything Like, I would want to stay at Spectacular. So lovely dishes, and we couldn't taste. That is that one thing that was missing, I guess, right? So we feasted with our eyes, which I think was amazing. And Chef Sanjeev, do you have anything to tell about the dishes when you came across each one of them? What would you talk about their maturity levels when it comes to handling food?
Yeah, first of all, the kind of knowledge they share while cooking was outstanding. And the skills, I was just going through one of the video where somebody was making a sweet dish. I think the expert chefs in the halwai section in hotels, they make it. And it was extremely, it just came to my mind. And they have actually utilized their, skills while cooking. It's not only cooking, but safety is very important, which they kept it along. They explained very well to make us understand what are the ingredients. Generally, it's not so easy to explain and cook, which I find is very interesting. And one thing I would like to always say, that keep smiling, and when the winner will be announced, I want everybody should appreciate each other and pat on your back so that you are also winner. So that motivations, inspire you to see yourself being in this attire in future as a professional. All right. So thank you, Deepa. It's really
Thank you.
very interesting and very, very innovative learnings from kids also. Thank you.
Yes,
Could we request Chef Bharat, who's also here, to say a few words about his experience with the kids' recipes that he had to share?
As I earlier also told you, Sumit, that I would love to copy few of the recipes which they have prepared, specifically
Wow.
the Maharashtrian mutton, which I have learned at least 3-4 different styles of cooking. I'll definitely will use somewhere. That is for sure. Otherwise, kids have done wonderful job from day one. Like we are seeing the videos, the level of the skill which they have shown in making the food is very good, and they should keep it up. And when they join in a profession, this will help them a lot. This particular part which they have done in last so many days, it will be a very helpful support for them as a person. That's what I want to say.
Great. Thank you so much, Chef. We also have with us another member of the jury, Chef Gautam Chaudhary, with us. Chef Gautam, some words from you, please, for the kids.
Sorry, am I audible now?
Yes, you are.
Sorry. So, Sumit, I think it is commendable work. It is so inspiring, the young kids, what they have done. I think commendable. As Bharat said that, we will be, all of us, all the chefs, I think we will certainly take those ideas, those elements in various cooking processes that these kids have done. I think many compliments and amazing work done. Thank you so much.
What would you say? I mean, open to all the jury members on the show right now. What would you guys want to say about the level of difficulty that these kids have chosen to get into the competition in?
See, I think a few of them have done such commendable work, not just in cooking, but even in terms of their plating aspects. I think there are a lot of chefs who forget the idea of heights and distances, which is one of the major aspects of plating, and they have done such commendable work. And I remember one kid has done that the chocolate cake. It is so beautifully presented. I think, and let me know whenever you organize, Sumit, whenever you organize a cooking session by these kids, I want to attend there.
Absolutely. In fact, I want to promise on this panel right now that if things work out well next year and we don't have a COVID-like situation going on, next year we would take the finalists to some place and do it live with the judges.
I'm so looking forward.
That is something that we would definitely want to do in the next season. Great. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Do we have any other member from the jury with us today?
I will have to look up. Any other jury member right now here?
Vivek?
No, Vivek is on a call. He's just coming in. He's on a call.
Okay. So what do we do? Shall we start announcing the results?
I don't
Do
know
I
if you
have-
want to know the results. I think we should.
Shall we begin? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Sumit, you want to go or should I start?
No,
in
please
order?
carry on. Please start.
Okay. So I'm going to start with the snacks category. Okay. I'm going to announce the name of the school. I would say ask the person or ask the concerned student or participant to talk about what they made. Okay. So just a 10-second description. So we begin with so I'm going to talk about the second runner-up first, then the first runner-up, and then the winner. Does that work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's begin. Yeah. So let's begin with the scrumptious snack category, and we have Kanak Patel as the second runner-up from St. John Universal. So Kanak, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so could you tell me very quickly about what did you make in your snack category?
I made a millet pudla which consisted of jawar, bajra, rava, curd, and lot of vegetables which I put so that kids are attracted towards it. I put lots of vegetables, colorful vegetables, because usually kids have some tantrums that we want like this. We want pizza type phala chahiye. So I made it that way, and I was inspired by my mom. And while she was making this dosa, it came to my mind that we need something instant and something more healthy. So I came up with this recipe.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Wonderful.
Kanak.
Congratulations.
It's so nice to hear from a kid saying that they get inspired and they're looking at doing something. It's so nice to hear that. Thank you.
Thank you
And
so much.
congratulations to you.
Yeah. And then we have the first runner-up, that
Thank you,
is.
sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kanak. Congrats. The first runner-up is Tanuja Makadwala from Salam Bombay Foundation. Tanuja, aap ho yahan pe? Are you there?
No, miss, she is not there.
She's not there, but let's
Yes,
cheer
yes.
for her. Let's cheer for her. Yeah. The winner of the scrumptious snack category is Meet V. Shinde from Rayat English Medium School, Satara. Meet, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So talk about your snack very quickly.
Congratulations, mate.
Congratulations, Meet.
Thank you, miss.
Yeah. Meet, very quickly, what did you make?
Teacher, I make chocolate muffins
Okay.
of chocolate
Okay.
and
What about your winning recipe? So, yes, Meet got this prize for his cut vada. And- Yeah, and to balance that, what did you make, Meet? You made a fruit custard with that, right? Okay, so congrats, Meet, for your cut vada recipe. You won the
Thanks,
first
Meet.
prize. Yeah, you are the winner of the scrumptious snack category.
Thank-
Thank you. So could we all have a round of applause for all the winners of the scrumptious snack category? Yeah, so we go to the,
Would you also quickly like to announce what the prize winners take home today?
yeah, you can go ahead, Sumit.
Okay. So the winners from today would, the top three from each category are going to get 2 nights accommodation at a Fern Hotel with their meals taken care of, one major meal taken care of along with breakfast for through the day. Okay. In addition, they are also going to get 3 months of Toppers Learning Academy access to their portal and to their examinations, online examinations, and everything that is available for them.
And yes, a cash prize also to
Yes.
go with. Okay, we're not going to tell you how much, but then yes, there is a cash prize that you'll get your vouchers. Okay, we go to the next category, that is mains. Okay, mouth-watering main course, we call it MM.
Deepa, could I interrupt you for a moment?
Yeah.
So would you want to announce the names of the top 10? So the guys who've come from 4th to 10th as well?
The
From the
snack,
previous
snack
category?
category? Snack
Yes.
category? Okay,
Yes.
I'll do that.
Okay. I would just read out the names and you could tell them.
Mhm.
There is Swarali Sarang Bhola, again from Rayat, who's in the 4th position. I think actually there are no positions, so let's just say
Just announce the names.
yeah,
Manasvi Deshmukh.
Manasvi Deshmukh, yeah. Vedant Chintamani. We have
Okay. So Vedant Katwate, Vedant Bhosle, Tanuja, yeah, I have announced, and then Aditya Kulkarni, Khushbu Gupta, Saumya Vadhavkar, Shruti Upadhyay. Yes.
yep, Siddharth.
So that is your list, and we go to the mains now. So let's start with the very first, that is the second runner-up. That's how we announce. So the second runner-up prize goes to Navya Khosla from DPS.
Thank you,
Navya,
ma'am.
yes, talk about your recipe.
I made a salmon, poached salmon with chimichurri sauce and a mushroom donut. And
Wow, sounds so yummy.
Yummy and elaborate.
thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you, Navya. And the first runner-up is Ritika Parsa from Glendale Academy. Ritika, are you here? Ritika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Could you just talk about your recipe?
Yeah, I made a pad thai noodles with millet encrusted chicken, and I made a Thai red curry which also has millet encrusted chicken. I made samai rice, and I made a millet salad.
So what did you call your recipe? I love the name.
I called it Thai way or no way.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Congrats. And then the first prize goes to Ishwari Tarpuje from Rayat English Medium School, Satara. Ishwari, are you there?
Teacher, which recipe but?
Your finals recipe, khichda.
Yes.
Yeah, so talk about your recipe very quickly. You got 10 seconds.
There is a bajra in it, and that
So tell me the name of your recipe, Ishwari.
bajra खिचडा.
पण कशावर केलं ते?
चुलीवर.
That's very important, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So on wood fire, an open fire, that is where Ishwari made her bajra khichda, a very beautiful recipe. Thank you, Ishwari, and congratulations everyone who won the main course.
Can we have a round of applause for all of them, please?
Yeah, I think we don't have noise over here. Yeah. So I'm also going to read out the others who contributed and who stand in the first 10 positions. So we have Prisha Parmar, Fusion Dia, Aditya Jadhav, Reini Sisodia, Manya Mathur, Vaishnavi, Krish Gupta, and Susan Fatima. So these are the others who made to the top 10.
Congratulations to each one of you. I think all of you have done a brilliant job on creating whatever you put on the platter. I mean, to look at it was so tempting, cannot even tell you.
So then we have the dessert category. So yeah, we could have asked any guesses, but I think they don't know each other. So I'm going to read out the names. The second runner-up is Narayan Tiwari from Sanjay Godawat School. Narayan, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you talk about your gaver that you made?
Yes, ma'am. I made rasmalai stuffed gaver with watermelon sorbet.
Yeah, so that is something very elaborate.
That's what I was talking about. Good job.
Yeah, thank you. And then we have Manvi Jain from Tejas Vidyalaya. Manvi?
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Yeah, Manvi.
Ma'am, I made tender coconut vegan panna cotta, which had the crust of digestive biscuit. I made it in coconut oil, had the first layer. Then I made coconut panna cotta, making coconut milk and tender coconut, and topped it up with strawberry compote.
Very good.
Oh, very beautiful and colorful dish.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. And the first prize or the winner of the delectable dessert category is Ishita Sehdev from Glendale Academy. Ishita, where's Ishita? She was here a while ago. Do we have Ishita here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So I have made mixed millet and overloaded nut cake with gajrela tarts and lotus nut pan roll. So as you all know that we have heard about many cakes like chocolate cake and pineapple cake. So I thought that why don't we come up with an idea of an healthy millets? Like I have used ragi, jawar, bajra and make a cake so that it's even healthy and it's good for children though.
Congratulations. I
Thank
loved
you
it.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Churi and Cook Dream Challenge and Glendale Academy International School to supporting me for everything, giving this platform, wonderful platform.
Thank you so much, Ishita. And yes, we have the next 4 to 10. Then we have Sachi Bin from Salam Bombay Foundation. We have Archita Tiwari from Salam Bombay Foundation. We have Tanvi Seth. We have Nirja Shah. We have Dukka Sabha and Janvi from Rayat English Medium School. Chocolate mousse cake. Yes, should we go to the next category?
Yes, please.
Yeah, so we move on to the LL category, that is lively local delights. And the second runner up is Aditi V. Patil from Rayat English Medium School, Satara. Aditi, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. So Aditi, talk about your dish. What did you put up for the final round?
So I made Kolhapuri mutton and rasa. I use so many things for it. And
Aditi, could we see you? Would it be possible for you to put your cam on?
Yeah.
Yep, please talk.
Yeah.
I made Kolhapuri mutton and rasa. With that, I have plated it, and in that I have made bhakri and mutton biryani also.
Okay.
Wonderful.
So that was an entire thali that Aditi presented. So congratulations, Aditi. We move on to the first runner-up, that is Sanjay Venkatraman from Vrindavan Public School. Sanjay, are you here? Sanjay? Yes.
I'm here, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Talk about your dish. What did you make?
I made tapioca pancake with pomegranate halwa.
So that is a specialty of which state?
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Very beautiful. And
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Congratulations, Sanjay. And the first prize or the winner of the LL category is Gargi Patil from Rayat English Medium School, Satara. Gargi, are you here?
Wow, great, ma'am. Congratulations.
Yes, ma'am. Gargi, काय केलंस ते सांग सगळ्यांना.
Satari mutton.
हाँ बोल सग हाँ सांग काय केलंस ते.
I will talk in Marathi because my dish is Marathi.
Yes, please. That's why I asked you in Marathi.
मी झणझणीत मटण केलतं सातारी आणि मी त्यात सोलकढी, बाजरीची भाकरी, ज्वारीची भाकरी, कोंबडी वडे, सोलकढी आणि रसा, तिखट रसा आणि रसा आणि सुकं मटण केलतं.
So Gargi presented to you an entire a feast, a mutton feast, like, you know, we could have borrowed dessert from somebody and made it all complete. So congratulations to all the winners who made it to the top round, top 3 positions. And of course, I have the others who were on the local delights list. So we have Sahana Iyer from St. John Universal, Nimisha Nainwad, Rashmika, Arnav, Harini, Janvi. Yes, and we have, again, we have, and Khushbu Chaudhary from Salam Bombay. So these are the winners, but that's not all of that. And we do have some special prizes. So we have a special prize for Nia Nagal for continuously putting up spectacular dishes through all the rounds. So you would have seen her picture, seen the picture of her dish featuring on the video. Yes, Nia, did you see that?
Yeah, I did. I saw 3 of them.
So could you tell about that dish that you made?
The final one?
Yes.
Yeah. So in the final one, I did a dry fruit salad. In that, I put many different dry fruits, and including I put something called tasty nuts. In that's an outside product which I put, which I thought will give a spice to the taste, to the dish. And I also put edible flowers in it to just give a design in the full dish. And I put a special syrup in it, which was with cardamom seeds and cinnamon powder boiled together and then put on top of all the layers of the dish.
Beautiful, beautiful. It looked beautiful, and that's the reason you got the prize for the most spectacular dish. And of course, we have Khushbu Chaudhary getting a special prize. Khushbu is from Salam Bombay Foundation, and Khushbu gets a prize for a very unusual and rare lively local delight that she brought to us. So Bhagia, Khushbu, are you here?
Yes, I think she is.
Yeah, Khushbu, can you talk about your dish?
मैं इसमें हिंदी में बोल सकती हूँ?
हाँ, बिल्कुल बोल सकते हो आप हिंदी में।
यस, ये जो बगिया रेसिपी है हमारे बिहार का सबसे फेवरेट रेसिपी है। जब इसने बोला कुछ अलग करना है जो किसी ने खाया है नहीं, किसी ने देखा है कहीं, तो मैंने इमेजिन किया क्यों ना हमारा बिहार का फेवरेट बगिया बनाया जाए। खाने में इतना यम्मी लगता है, मीन्स अगर आप लोग होते ना सच में आपको मैं अपने हाथ से खिला देती। इट्स अ वेरी यम्मी डिश एंड मिस इसको हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट में भी खा सकते हैं।
हेल्दी भी है ना?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much. And yes, thank you so much, Khushbu, and congratulations, Khushbu and Nia. We also have a few other participants who have been very regularly attending our workshops, sending us pictures, sending us emails, and I'm going to read out their names. They also win prizes. They'll be getting vouchers from us. One is Kirtana. Kirtana, are you here? We have Kirtana, we have Krisha Sureka, we have Ishita Sedev. We do have Tawhid Siddiqui, who has been sending me a lot of photographs after the photography session. And we have Ananya Sehgal. Yeah, all of them have won prizes for the tasks that we put up after workshops. So congratulations to each and everyone. All winners. Yeah, all are winners. So we have a big round of applause for the entire. So did we have less noise for the final?
I couldn't hear anyone clap.
I don't hear the noise at all. So could we have a big round of applause, a roar kind of thing? Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
This actually is for everyone for coming ahead and participating in the challenge. It's not about winning really. It's all about moving ahead and taking part in it. Okay, I think we've heard from most of the jury. We now have Chef Vivek Sagar also with us. So I would like him to say a few words about the entire experience that he has had with this. Chef Sagar?
Good evening, everyone. I would like to congratulate all the winners. Thank you to all the participants for coming forward and participating in large numbers and joining hands to make this edition of Cook a Dream a majestic affair and a huge success. Such competitions are the future of the food industry, and very soon, or they are in the process of getting a lot of recognition. And the future of these competitors and participants, obviously, to me, looks glorious. It is with the experience which we gain at these events like these that the talent gets identified and promoted to represent, the skills at industry platforms and eventually at the nation at large. The basic objective of such competitions is to offer a platform to students where they can display their individual and combined skills, their creative talent, and they also get an opportunity to learn and share experience in the competitive environment. This event has provided a similar platform to students to present their creativity and their decision-making skills, and also help them to explore their hidden talents. Congratulations to everyone once again, not only for winning, but also for participating in large numbers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chef Sagar, for your words and appreciation and encouragement for all the participants. I would want to take this opportunity to quickly thank all our jury members who have painstakingly gone through the entire process, seen each and every recipe that was shared with them in detail, and come back with their respective suggestions as well. Some suggestions, and some have come back with their basically appreciation for what they have seen. So going on individually, I want to thank the ones who are present here at the moment, which is Chef Vivek Sagar. Thank you very much, sir, for being here and for supporting us. Chef Sanjeev Gatak.
For giving us an opportunity to be a part of this event.
Thank you, sir. Chef Sanjeev Gatak, thank you very much for being here and for appreciating all the kids continuously.
Thank you, and same to you. And you are the key people who have made this success. Congratulations to you and Deepak too.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Thank you. Chef Gautam Chaudhary, thank you so very much for your time and for encouraging kids who are here.
Please, thank you so much, Sumit, for having me over. I think I thoroughly enjoyed the session. And once again, kudos to the entire team of yours, the way they have executed the event. Flawless. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Gautam. Chef Bharat, are you here still?
Yes, Sumit, I'm there.
Thank you so much, Chef Bharat, for all the guidance and all the support that you provided.
Thank you very much. First of all, that I was a part of this thing. Secondly, I told you many times in between that I've learned a lot, and going forward, we'll work on this, how to make this better and better. And thank you everyone for participating. Thanks. And everyone is a winner. Just take this as a spirit. Everyone is a winner here.
Good. Well said, Chef.
Great. Thank you so much. Also, a quick word of thanks to all the people who did these knowledge series sessions for us, which include some of them present here and some who are not here. So without actually going into the details, I just want to thank each one of them and give our appreciation for their time and for encouraging the kids to learn more and to participate in large numbers. Deepa, back to you, please.
Yeah, so I think on this very happy note, we can bring this session to an end. I am going to, yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
There are some students who are asking on the chat, which names have you taken? The students are getting the prizes.
Yeah, that's what I was coming to.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I said on this happy note, we are going to bring the session almost to an end. Yes, Meet?
Teacher, the Katwada is very popular in the Maharashtra.
Okay.
And all people eat that.
Okay.
So that I made that recipe.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your guidance and thank you, sir.
Thank you. So we are going to come to Satara and you are going to make Katwada for us. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Come.
Yes, I will be coming to Satara. Yeah, Sneha ma'am, to visit you basically.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, I will take to each and every student.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, you didn't tell, is there a category for super salads?
Yeah. So what happened, Nia, is we received only a couple of entries for the superb salads category. So that is the reason we didn't have enough competitors for the salad category. And but yes, your salad was just spectacular. Even otherwise, it was a winning entry, and that's the reason we gave you a special prize. Okay,
ma'am, can I say something?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya, right?
Yeah, I just wanted to say congratulations to everyone who had the courage and confidence to even participate and come this far, because it's not easy to express your talent this way. So all of you are winners, and congrats.
Thank you so much. Soumya, someone told me this is even more difficult than playing a sport, to be very honest. Yeah, yes. Your food getting scrutinized, appreciated or condemned. And you've been very bold to put up lovely plates of food. So thank you so much.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, Tawhid.
Ma'am, I'm having one question for
Okay.
Chef Sanjeev. May I ask?
Yeah, you can ask Chef Sanjeev. Tawhid has a question for you.
Yes, go ahead, please.
Yeah, sir, I want to ask, as I asked to every chef, that what inspired you?
Well, what inspired me to become a chef, right?
Yeah.
All right. You have asked me a question which I relate. It's 25 years back when I was in school kid and my father was in Air Force. He used to cook for his offices. He used to kick in NGOs. So from there, I have started, learning. And slowly, once we completed my education, I find that there was something which, a chef need to be hard worker who can have patience, passion, everything. But once you come to the industry, you find, you have to cook bulk. So that is the important aspect. When we crossed those industrial training, I started in Meridian, Delhi, and Hans Plaza, then to Oberoi's, to Taj, to different areas. So the way we came to know about hardworking is when it's like army. It's not like other organization. It's like army. To become a chef, you need to have patience, hard work, very rigorous training, and that's inspired me that when I can do it. And after 10 years, this has really become a very interesting profession. And since then, I have never seen back. Still, I am the general manager in one of the organization, but I cannot leave this chef code because the moment it comes to my body, white speak and your passion, you can see the knowledge automatically comes out. So it's a very interesting question. And the kind of opportunity you all got, we have never got it. But kind of things which you have seen, now you have everybody on iPad, iPhone, tab. You can go and find out the recipes which we don't have. But yes, practical aspect is very important. You can make one portion. When you will come to know 1,000 portion category, then the real work starts. Okay. So keep your faith, keep your confidence with you. Definitely, there are other professions, but this is really very charming and very interesting profession, I believe.
Yeah,
And
they can take it up part-time also, right?
yes.
Okay, taking clue from what Chef just said, and I think we made that announcement day before as well. We'd want to tell each of the participating students that we are going to be providing you more opportunities for learning and for experiencing food. You all would automatically, let's call it Cook a Dream Club, and you all would automatically be part of the Cook a Dream Club where you would get invited, or you would get the preferential invitation for any session that we are going to be handling here onwards.
Thank you so much. And Sumit, there are a few questions over here. So, ma'am, which names you have taken that students are getting prizes now? Yes, you are getting prizes, and we will be mailing everything to you. So don't worry about it. Your prizes, your certificates, everything will come to you. And we will also be cross-checking whether you have received your, as usual, like we do all the time. We'll be cross-checking. We'll be sending you messages on WhatsApp, on email, and we'll also be calling you to find out whether you've received your prizes. Okay, and then this is for you, Sumit. Could you share where we can have a look at all the recipes?
It will take a little time. It will take a little time. We are going to collate all the recipes, all the winning recipes. We are going to be collating them in a giant cookbook format like we had earlier announced. And those would be shared with each one of you individually. But it would take a little while before we are able to put that together.
So till then, we will be posting some recipes, some select recipes on social media. You can follow our Facebook page and look at your recipes being featured there. You can share it with your friends, your relatives, anyone you want.
Only the recipes means all the participants who have made a recipe
yes.
that
all recipes are going to be in a book?
We will try to accommodate
as many as we can, and as many as are worthy of getting in the book. So there also would be another filtration process there. We cannot put everything that has come to us, because I don't know how many of you are aware, we've had close to 2,000 children who have shared their recipes with us. So if we try and put all of that together, it will really make it giant in the real term of the word.
And there are quite a few recipes that are very repetitive. Like, we had n number of varieties of burgers. We've had chocolate filled sandwiches, like, loads of sandwiches. So these are the recipes that we might not pick up, and we will look at all unique recipes, of course, millet based recipes, local delights, and of course all the winning recipes too. Yeah, till then you can follow us on social media. You can look up your recipes appearing on social media, and that's how we'll take this further. Okay.
I would once again like to thank here all our partners who have joined hands with us throughout this journey of ours, all the people who put in some faith in what we were doing, and all the participants that came along with us. Special mention here would be for the Tourism and Hospitality Skill Council, which is THSC, as you all would know of. They have had the faith in us to support us with this entire journey that we have kind of almost completed now. Yeah. Then I would like to specifically thank the Fern Hotel Group. Would like to name Param Kannampilli here, who heads the Fern Hotel Group, for their support in encouraging all the participants by giving away the prizes here. Also, we would like to thank the Toppers Learning Academy, who are come up and during the course of our journey, who joined hands and kind of said that while they are cooking, let them also do some learning at the other end. All the jury members, all the people who joined us during the knowledge series sessions, not to miss Dr. Mrinali Daswal, who stayed late up in the night while she was in the US to take that session with you all, and I think that session went on for almost 2 hours, if I'm not mistaken. Correct? Thank you all.
Thank you so much.
Thank
you. Thank you so much, and see you whenever we have the next session.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
we are going to miss this energy. We are going to
Thank
miss
you, ma'am.
the craze. Yes, bye.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Congratulations,
Congrats.
everyone.
Congrats. Bye.